So Mike Tyndall, his first jump. He's going off the 24, a little bit of safety in that. He's achieved the record in the jump over the 2 years of the program, 18 meters. What standard is he going to set now for the rest of the finalists?
That was a reasonably steady jump there by Mike. He was sitting a bit further back than usual. His in-run position was very good, but when he came through the transition to the takeoff, was sitting back slightly, and that's what happened. Took off, back of his skis dropped. There you go. But it was a solid landing, so he did okay. But if he was going to take that up to the 40, he'd be in big trouble.
Okay, didn't feel as good for you.
No, not really that good. A bit too far backwards on that one. Need to be
But
more forward.
I'm just glad you stayed upright because I was worried about after seeing you practicing. Shall we have a look?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look at your distance. 16.5 meters, short for you.
Yeah, short.
Is it enough?
Unfortunately, it's going the wrong way. It started so well. It's going downhill.
Let's take another look.
This is where I went, oh!
And there's that horrible moment.
It's Mike Tyndall. In lane 2 in the middle is Joey Essex. And in lane 3, Louise Thompson.
Lou.